When you're out on an adventure, staying warm and comfortable is essential. Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters Nylon Camping Blanket, a packable, waterproof camping quilt designed to keep you cozy during camping, hiking, or traveling. Crafted from ultra-soft 20D ripstop nylon and coated with a waterproof DWR shield, this blanket is durable and water-repellent, making it perfect for any outdoor situation. It features convenient quick clasp snaps, allowing you to wear it hands-free or easily carry firewood. Weighing only 18 ounces, it packs light, yet is rated down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring warmth when you need it most. With reinforced stitching, it's a practical and long-lasting companion for your outdoor escapades. When you need efficient, portable warmth for outdoor or indoor spaces, a reliable heating solution is key. The Thermomate propane heater delivers up to 18,000 BTU of heating power, perfect for patios, garages, camping, and more. Its 3 adjustable heating modes, 6,000, 12,000, and 18,000 BTU, allow you to choose the ideal temperature for your space, which can be heated to 450 square feet. Designed with ODS and tip-over protection, it ensures safety during use. Its compact and portable design, along with 5 durable locking casters, makes it easy to move and position. Operating quietly at 32 decibels, this heater provides a comfortable, warm environment for work, relaxation, or outdoor activities. Harsh weather conditions demand outerwear that provides warmth, durability, and protection without sacrificing comfort. Meet the Sile-Up Down jackets, designed with triple-proof technology, making them waterproof, breathable, and exceptionally warm. The temperature-locking insulation ensures you stay comfortable in extreme conditions, while the eco-friendly materials reflect a commitment to sustainability. Lightweight yet highly durable, this jacket is perfect for unpredictable outdoor adventures. It packs easily for travel and features smartly designed storage compartments for essentials like your wallet, passport, or tablet. Whether braving the cold or exploring nature, this all-season jacket offers superior insulation, even under extreme temperatures, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. Cold weather can make outdoor activities uncomfortable, requiring a reliable source of warmth to keep hands cozy and functional. Introducing the Iris hand warmers, air-activated, and provide up to 18 hours of consistent heat, making them an essential winter accessory. Designed with an adhesive backing for easy placement, they heat up quickly and are TSA approved for travel. Made in Japan with eco-conscious ingredients like iron powder, activated charcoal, and vermiculite, they are safe to use and dispose of responsibly. Each pack contains 20 disposable warmers, ensuring long-lasting comfort for hands and feet during outdoor adventures, commutes, or cold weather work. Staying warm in extreme cold is essential for comfort and performance, especially during outdoor activities. The Upali heated vest delivers fast and lasting warmth. 8 heating elements cover the neck, back, and front for full-body insulation. It features 3 adjustable heating levels and offers customized warmth while ensuring safety and efficiency. Made from lightweight, waterproof, and windproof fabric, this vest is durable, comfortable, and skin-friendly, allowing free movement during skiing, hiking, hunting, and snowboarding. A separate power pocket keeps the battery pack secure, providing long-lasting heat. Its stylish design and superior warmth make it an ideal winter gift, ensuring maximum comfort in harsh weather conditions. Having a reliable heat source and cooking solution is essential for comfort and safety in outdoor environments. The Campy Gear Chubby Portable Propane Heater and Stove is the perfect companion for camping, hiking, fishing, and emergencies. This versatile device combines both a heater and stove, offering rapid heating with 360 degrees of radiant heat. It is compatible with butane, isobutane, or propane canisters, providing flexibility in fuel choices, and it boasts a maximum output of 9,000 BTU for efficient performance. The adjustable flame and compact portable design make it ideal for outdoor adventures, while its stainless steel railings accommodate various pot and pan sizes, ensuring versatility in cooking. When you're on the go, having access to freshly brewed coffee can make all the difference. Meet the Wacaco Pipa Mocha Portable Coffee Maker, an all-in-one coffee brewer and insulated travel mug, designed for convenience and efficiency. This hand-powered, filter pressure brewer allows you to brew and drink from a single device, making it perfect for commutes, work hours, or outdoor adventures. The stainless steel thermal cup holds up to 10 fluid ounces, keeping your coffee hot for hours. The reusable microfilter eliminates the need for paper filters, reducing waste. With its patented twisting mechanism, it creates vacuum pressure, ensuring a 2-minute brew with no excess mess, providing rich and flavorful coffee every time. Cold temperatures can drain phone batteries quickly and make devices vulnerable to damage, especially during outdoor adventures. The PHOOZY thermal phone case provides advanced insulation using a patented chromium thermal barrier, the same technology that protects astronauts in space. Designed for winter sports like skiing and snowboarding, it extends battery life up to 3 times while shielding your phone from freezing temperatures, snow, and moisture. This military-grade protective case ensures uninterrupted connectivity without interfering with signals. Lightweight, water-resistant, and durable, it's the perfect companion for keeping your device safe and functional in extreme conditions. Stay connected and protected all winter. Cold feet can make any activity uncomfortable, whether indoors or outdoors, especially in winter. Meet the Ororo Redwood Carbon Nanotube socks, the first ever heated socks designed with carbon nanotube heating elements. These socks deliver unmatched heating performance for up to 10 hours. Made with Coolmax fabric, they offer moisture-wicking properties to keep feet warm and dry. The elastic connecting cords provide extended heating time and extra comfort without restricting movement. Perfect for camping, working, or relaxing at home, these heated socks eliminate the need for multiple layers or external warmers. Stay cozy and comfortable wherever you go with this innovative cold weather essential. Sitting on cold, hard bleachers for extended periods can be uncomfortable and even painful, especially during chilly outdoor events. The Hot Hugs heated stadium seats provide warmth, comfort, and ergonomic support, making every game or outdoor gathering more enjoyable. Featuring 3 temperature settings: 149 degrees Fahrenheit, high, 118 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, low, with a smart timer. This seat keeps you warm for hours. Its foldable, portable design includes 2 bottom hooks for stability, storage pockets for convenience, and 6 adjustable angles for customized comfort. The non-slip bottom ensures secure seating, while its spacious design accommodates 2 people. Perfect for sports events, camping, and outdoor adventures. Staying warm and comfortable in cold temperatures requires high-quality, reliable outerwear. The Roscoe Outdoor Polartec Pullover Fleece delivers exceptional warmth, breathability, and durability while supporting American manufacturing. Made from high-loft 7.7-ounce Polartec Thermal Pro fabric, this fleece is perfect for aerobic activity in colder conditions. It features 2 welted hand-warming pockets, a lined hood, and spandex binding at the cuffs to seal in heat. The men's version includes a 3-snap collar, while the women's cut features a flattering silhouette with a mocha-lined hood and shawl collar. Designed and manufactured in the USA, this fleece pullover reduces lead times, supports the domestic textile industry, and ensures superior craftsmanship. Staying warm and comfortable during outdoor adventures is essential, especially in cold weather. Meet the OneTigris Tactical Ultra Warm Blanket, designed for ultimate warmth, versatility, and convenience. Made with high-loft insulation cotton, it provides exceptional heat retention while remaining lightweight and easily packable. Its water and odor-resistant design ensures durability in various conditions. The snap button system allows you to transform it into a cloak or connect multiple blankets into a 2-person sleeping bag. Corner loops secure it to the ground, making it perfect for picnics. Ideal for camping, hiking, and travel, this cozy and portable blanket is a must-have.